Firstly, we'll go under the billing module. Here, under contract tab, process billing. Here, select the sales office. Select the start date and end date for which month you want to uh, take the billing for particular contracts. And then select the calendar type over here. If you want to check for the monthly calendar type, yearly, half yearly, just select that. Here, select the billing type for which you want to check. If you want to check for any particular customer, that also you can check. If you want to check for any particular contract, that also you can check. Just process billing as this is already existing. Click on OK. 318 billing process. When click on the billing runs, here you can check for the half yearly contracts which you have selected. So for that particular contract type, calendar period type, the billing process is generated. And here inside the details, you can check whatever the bill for that particular calendar type, whether it is billing type, whether it is advance or area. This is for the advance. If you want to make it export, that also you can download the billing summary like this for half year calendar period type. These will be the customers and status of that contract. What was and what is the amount for that particular? What will be the amount tax and what will be the total from which date the contract started and from till which date the contract is active. That also you can see from over here. If you want to make the sales order billing, that in the sales order under sales order tab, select the office. Select the customer for which customer you want to make the bill, or if you want to make the bill for all the customers, and then select the job type or select the sales order type. If I'm getting the selecting the get list, I'm selecting one customer over here. What will be the okay? So I'm selecting generate invoices, selecting OK, select sales orders. Okay, for that, if I'm selecting for any particular customer, major repair. Mm. Billing process is successfully and check under billing process. If you want to generate the invoice for any particular sales order or any particular contract, that also you can print the invoice, select that contract or the sales order from which date you want to make the bill. As I'm checking from the March till today's date. Or here selecting for all customer if you want to make, please select the job type, whether it is major, minor, or like this. You can generate the bill for the sales orders. Also, like similarly, we can if you want to make the bill for contract, that also you can select from this date to this date and select the report and check the bill. Like this, the contract bill also generated. You can check. So this was the overall flow.